Arguments.
With arguments, ma'am.
And what about copy constructors?
Copies from existing one.
Yes, copies from the previous whatever the constructor we have taken. And one thing you have to make a note of here, whenever we are writing constructors, do we take data type here?
No, ma'am.
No, all the time that is one point, and all the time I should declare constructors only under public section, not under private section or protected section. You please make a note of it. Whenever an MCQ is arise like this, public member functions are given, like special member functions are nothing but constructors. If they are given under private section or something else, that is it goes wrong, because constructors are defined only under which section? Only under
Public
Public
section.
section.
public section. Okay, that you have to remember. Next important topic is, like, inheritance. What do you mean by inheritance?
Parent to
Parent children. Okay, how could I define inheritance as?
It is in hierarchical manner, ma'am.
Hierarchical. Okay, better than that, ఇంకా ఏమైనా చెప్పాలి అంటే how could we define? Inheritance is nothing but what's its main idea? Main idea of inheritance is what?
Reusability.
Very good, Roja. So the idea of reusability is nothing but what? Inheritance. Just I told you, inheritance means idea unna danani I'm going to use it in a different manner. Like if you want to build already one house is there. For that house, that house is like old model. If you want to make it in a new model, you are going to renovate it. Means what? Same house, you are going to reuse it in a different manner. Got? This is nothing but the idea of reusability. Means what? Suppose we all are using WhatsApp, Facebook and Zoom. We are using everywhere. But every time after 1 month, it asks us to update. Do you understand? We'll update with the latest version. So when they want to update, will they start writing the program from the beginning? Will they start writing the code of that WhatsApp, entire code
No,
they'll
ma'am.
write? No, whichever the thing they want to update only a little bit, they will make additionally they will add. Means what? Already one program is there, means adding new features to the existing class. Already WhatsApp is there. We can upload a photo for DP and we can keep status, and now and then we are getting like default timers. If I don't want her chart in my thing, I could set like every time we are coming with a new version. When we are coming with a new version means what? They are adding some new version to the existing version. Got it cleared, everyone? Inheritance means same thing. Means we are adding to the existing, adding something new to the existing class. That is, existing class is nothing but the base class. Okay, now so base class means what? Already at the beginning we had WhatsApp is meant for only chatting, right? After that we said to give the DPs. After that later it has been giving status. After that status videos we can upload one by one version is changing. But base is the what? Original thing. Mainly it is meant for only chatting. Do you understand this point? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here the idea of usability is nothing but an inheritance. Otherwise, adding new features to the existing class is also called as an inheritance. It is also one of the important concepts of OOPS. Okay, now OOPS stands for what, girls?
Object-oriented programming language.
C, yes, C++ is an OOPS language. C is a POP. POP stands for what? C stands for POP. POP means what? Procedural oriented language. All the time I focus only on the procedures. Okay, so C is also called as what? POP language. POP means what? Procedural oriented language. Everyone clear with this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And here we have various types of inheritances. So what are the inheritance? Do you have any idea? How many types of inheritance do we have?
5, ma'am.
Yes, what are those?
Single, multiple,
hierarchical,
multi-level,
multiple.
Multiple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is meant by single inheritance means what? Single inheritance, how could I define? Because all these things you learned and came, girls. So don't take much stress or pressure also. In single inheritance means what? No one? Means whenever I am talking about single inheritance, only one base class, one derived class. Single inheritance means what? Only one base class is going to interact with the one derived class. Okay, na single inheritance, how could I define single inheritance? One base class, one derived class. So when I am talking about multiple inheritance means what? You have in Java also, you have in the final year, I think. Final year students, you have Java inheritance topic undi kada meeku?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, only multiple inheritance Java will not support. Why we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So single inheritance means what? One base class, one derived class. Okay, na single inheritance means. Next here, when I am talking about multiple inheritance, first we will go with the definitions. Later we will go with the programs. Okay. Multiple inheritance means what? A class with multiple base classes. Okay, na class with what? Multiple base classes means more than one parent is here, only one child. I could call that as a multiple base class. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means what? More than one base class or child class.
Base classes.
Yes, more than one base class or a parent class is nothing but a multiple inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means what? Here hierarchical means what? Trees, which structures? Tree follows, tree has only one root, right? Hierarchical means all the time tree only. Tree only one root means one parent, multiple children, one root, multiple branches. Do you understand this point? Hierarchical means how many base classes we have in hierarchical? One base class, multiple children, child class. Next, coming for multi-level means what?
Process of deriving one class to another class.
Yes, because I take here, you take father. Suppose here I am taking example. If you want, multi-level means what? Means suppose if I take like okay, ikkade rasta. Here I am writing, yes, example is here. So here how many classes are here?
3 classes.
Yes, 3 classes are there, A, B, C. So A is the base class for what? A becomes the base class for B, okay, and B is the child of A. And the same, whichever B is acting as a child for A, and same B is acting as a parent for C. So I can call it as a multi-level inheritance. Do you understand now? Yes or no? A, B, C. A become the parent child for B, and B become the child here. Whichever the node is acting as a child, same node again it is playing a parent node for C as a C node. Do you understand? This is called multi-level inheritance. Everyone understood this definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will go with the program. You have to write this program, girl. This is an assignment this time. You only have to do. After this classes, from first I'll be giving you all the assignments. Once the assignments are submitted, then only we'll be giving you the certificates. Okay? If you are busy means please let me know. I'll not give more assignments because you have internals also. I know that also. Okay? Moderate exam, moderate programs only I'll give. So here, how to write a inheritance program we will see here. So as usual, first what would you have to do? Inheritance is a Whoops concept or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, as inheritance is an OOPS concept, we are going to write that using a class program. So whenever whichever the program using OOPS concept means I have to ultimately use what? Class. So here I have taken here what is the program. You people know it very well. First we have to include the header file followed by using namespace std. After that now I started creating a, whenever I am talking about inheritance, minimum 2 classes have to take. How many I have to take minimum? 2 classes. Okay, now what type of inheritance it is? Minimum we have to take 2 classes. So here I have taken 1 class. So what is the class name? Class, and name I have taken as account. So I have declared here variable under which section, public or private? Public. Public. And make sure that if I want to share my data to with every class, like at that time I can go for giving the data under public section. If I don't want to share my data with anyone, then I have to give under private section. And sometimes if I feel like giving data only to the family members who are inheriting, suppose if we are people, we are using Wi-Fi, right? So Wi-Fi means we will be sharing only with the family people. Are you understanding this point? Will we share this to the other people?
No, ma'am.
No. See, Wi-Fi, like, if you are having mobile. So, I'll generalize the thing here. So, you people are holding some data in your mobile. Suppose at your home right now, you don't have any Wi-Fi handle. So, your mother or father asks you to share the Google's hotspot. So, if you will share means, then means you are sharing means, okay, you are sharing for everything means public. No, I will not share. I only I will not, the data won't be sufficient for me, so I will not share with anyone. You are keeping that data with you, only for you, means what? You are being private, you are not sharing to anyone, not even your family members, means that time you are being more protective, means you are under private section. Same thing, similarly, if you want to share the data, like no, I will be sharing my password to everyone, like anyone, those who need, I am going to share, means then you are sharing your data with everyone, means that comes under public. And sometimes no, I have to share only data to my family members, means what? Like your father or mother, whoever related to your family, then that comes under protected section. Do you understand this point? Only the people who are related to that family, they can only access here. Because what I'm telling means, now the variable, earlier till whatever the topics we have finished, we were talking only about two access specifiers, either public or private. But whenever we are talking about inheritance, a new access specifier we are introducing, that is called protect. Got clear, everyone? By what for protect? So here I am given public means what? It is shared by everyone. Under public I have given float value, float salary equal to 60,000, have closed. If I am not given 60,000 is an integer value, a system automatically it will take 60,000.00. It will take default as float value. Do you have any doubt for this particular class?
No, ma'am.
No. After that, now I have to define one more class. I told you, when we are writing a program for inheritance, minimum of 2 classes. So here, so first name, what is the syntax when we are writing inheritance means, first class name we have to take. Okay, now derived class ela derive chestamante, class and new class name, child parent name. What is the child class name I am taking now? So derived class name I have to give. Derived class name is what? New name. Derived class name colon we have to keep, girls, not scope resolution operator. Whenever we are talking about inheritance, this is the syntax, followed by access specifier, whichever I told you, access specifier, followed by old class name or base class name. This is the syntax we have to follow, base class name. Okay, na? So class I have given as usual. Derived class name I am giving as a programmer. What is the derived class name I have given? Programmer. And here I told you access specifier. I told you if I want to share my data with everyone, I can give public. If I don't want to share data to anyone, then what I have to give instead of public?
Private.
Private. If I don't want to share data to public, only my people related to the family, means whichever the class are inheriting, ఏ class తో నేనైతే inherit చేసుకుంటున్నానో, only those have to take, means here additionally I have to give, what I have to give now? Protect. Protect is the access specifier, only it comes into existence when we are talking about inheritance. Clear for everyone? What for protected is required? Okay, clear,
Private.
done? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So here now I am defining this. I have defined account. Now I have to define this also. Public. So I have taken one more variable, float bonus 5,000. So with this I have defined two classes. For these classes, for this, which type of program it is, means how many classes are there here? Two classes. So one is base class, the other one is derived class. So which type of inheritance it belongs to now?
Single inheritance.
Very good. It is single inheritance because one base class and one derived class. And here one more important thing, as usual we will be creating an object. Once two classes are created, I have to create an object. So where I'll be creating an object? I'll be creating an object within the main function with the help of a class name. And you may get the doubt, so we have to create, because earlier when we were talking about class, like constructors or any topic like oops concept class program, only one class was there. So only directly with that class name I used to create an object. But here how many classes are here? Two classes are there. For which class I have to create an object? That is the question mark. Do you understand what is the question raised here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and here you have to think, depending, like when I compare to account and derived class, sorry, account and programmer, which class will be holding all the properties?
Account, ma'am.
Account. No. See, please, because I told you, you think that account is the father and programmer is the son. So here who will, like father is sharing his property to his son. Who is holding more property now? Father or son?
Sun, ma'am.
Son. Yes, because son is the derived class, because here it is sharing everything, right? The inheritance చేస్తున్నాం అంటే I am taking, I am extracting the properties here from the existing class. So దేనివి కాకుండా programmer వి కాకుండా again I am taking from the parent class also. Means who is containing more property here, means like more data who is collecting, means derived class is collecting more data. So that is why whenever I go for an object creation, I'll be creating an object with for the derived class. I'll be creating an object for what? For derived class. Clear everyone? So derived class name is what here? Programmer. And as usual I can keep P1 whatever it is. So I have created an object P1. Clear everyone till this line?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes. Others also should respond. Only Roja is responding all the time. Okay, so now I want to display salary and bonus. So see out, I have to call directly because I didn't use any member functions here. So directly I am calling P1 dot salary, means what? Whatever the salary is going to hold, that it is going to be displayed. Any doubt in this program? Everyone?
No,
No, na?
ma'am.
So here I will give you one example. Will you people try a program on this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 5 minutes. Everyone should respond, girls, please. Within
Yes,
3 days,
ma'am.
I am going to wind up the C++. We will go for next subject. We will try. Everyone will try the program. Yes. So write a program. So base class name should be as flower I have to take. Derived class name, you take any flower name. Base class is flower. Derived class name, what you have to take? Any, like rose you take as a flower. Okay na? So display whatever the thing you take. Rose is a flower. Rose is a fragrant flower. Rose is a colorful flower. Whatever you can take, you have to write in the similar manner. Do you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So please try to, only 5 minutes time I'm giving you. Now its time is 6:30. By 6:30 you have to finish. Everyone should submit, girls.
Ma'am, in place of float, we can take any data type, ma'am.
In place of
Float.
float, you can take and see. For I asked you to write a what I mean to say is about flower, right? For flower, need not to go for any data type. Just we can write only for display statements under public cout. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't know what method you approach. So if you want to, you can take any data type also, but for this not required. You try. We will see in the later. Finished ones can raise your hand so that I will see your program. Only 2 minutes are left, please. It's last 1 minute. Parvati finished?
Doing, ma'am.
Yes, try. Supraja 67, Supraja.
Doing, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, are you able to do right? చేయగలుగుతున్నారు రాయగలుగుతున్నారు కదా మీ ఓన్గా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aarti, Richita, many are there. Okay, next. Sonia, Nitika, Shruti, సుప్రతీక రాస్తున్నావా? దాంట్లో పెట్టు. Is no one finished, girls? Shall I start explaining the program? Shall I? No response for this also. అయిందా నేహా? Yes, I am writing, girls, please. No one did? At least half program you can show that. హాఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా ఎవరిది అవ్వలేదా? Yes, everyone wrote like this.
No, ma'am.
Now what did you write? You can show na. మీరు రాస్తే కదా, చూపిస్తే నాకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా మీరు ఏం రాశారు. You are not responding. So what did you write first line, everyone? Ruchita, what did you write, Ruchita?
మ్యామ్ ఐ థాట్ మీరు అంటే ఫ్లోట్ రాయొద్దు అని చెప్పారు కదా డేటా టైప్ అంటే
ఫ్లోట్ ఎలా అయినా ఓకే. నువ్వు ఎలా రాసావు, నీ క్రియేటివిటీ నీది, నాది. ఓకేనా? సో నువ్వు ఎలా అర్థం చేసుకున్నావు అలా, అంథింగ్ రాంగ్. సో యూ జస్ట్ రీడ్ అవుట్ ద ఫస్ట్ లైన్. వాట్ డిడ్ యూ రైట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్లాస్ నేమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టేకన్? బేస్ క్లాస్ నేమ్.
మ్యామ్
Yes. After that,
ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ ఐ థాట్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ స్ట్రింగ్ నో మ్యామ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్
okay, fine. Then
అంతే మ్యామ్ అంటే ఏం రాయాలో అర్థం కాలేదు.
అవునా, సరే, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరు రాస్తారు? వెరీ గుడ్, గుడ్ ట్రై. నెక్స్ట్ నేహా.
In public place, I take rows, ma'am.
పబ్లిక్
You said flowers, no, ma'am.
యా.
In public place, I take rows, ma'am. Like
ఓకే. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎవరు రాయలేదా? వాట్ జఫ్షా బాను? Sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. So did you finish that? No? Mani Dikshita? Okay, fine.
Ma'am.
Did you finish the program? Yes.
Ma'am.
Will you read out the program?
Ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, in the place of float, I take the character, ma'am, because we are using the colors.
Yes. See, that is what I am not telling you are doing wrong అని చెప్పట్లేదు. Because నా ఐడియా నాకు ఇలా వచ్చింది. We are all having unique brains, right? You people think in a different way. The thing what I focus here, my focus is only on the syntax, whether you are writing it correct or not. That's all. ఏమైనా క్రియేటివిటీ నీది పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. గుడ్ థాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. కలర్స్, డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్, నువ్వు మంచిగా ఆలోచించు. ఐ డెంట్ ఈవెన్ గెట్ దట్ థాట్. ఐ జస్ట్ రోట్ అ డిస్ప్లే సంథింగ్, a display statement. Good try. Will you read out the complete program?
Ma'am, in place of float, I'm taking the character, ma'am.
tell now. Sorry.
I'm in place of float. I'm taking the character and
Hmm.
changing the names only, ma'am. When we are taking the programming, there is I'm taking rose, ma'am. And
Okay.
one more thing is I'm taking color and bunch of flowers, ma'am.
Okay.
How many flowers are there? I'm taking the
Yeah, you can take. Nothing wrong in that. Nothing wrong in that. Good try. చెప్తున్నాను కదా మీరు ఎలా అయినా రాయొచ్చు మీ క్రియేటివిటీ. సో నా ఐడియా ఇంతవరకే లాక్ అయిపోయింది. ఐ కెనాట్ థింక్ ఫర్దర్ మోర్ బట్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ ఇన్ అ బెటర్ వే, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ అన్ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ థింగ్, అప్రిషియబుల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్
Thank you, ma'am.
ఎవ్రీవన్. ఇలా ఇంకా కొత్తగా ఇంకెవరో ట్రై చేశారు? Girls, all you are more capable girls. You can do whatever you want. But the only thing, you will not come out, that's all. Okay, na good idea. Very good. Next, ఇంకా ఎవరు కొత్తగా ట్రై చేశారా? Anyone? Rajashri? What, Sindhu? Did you try, Sindhu? Jyoti? Two Jyotis are here. Jyoti and Aruna Jyoti. You didn't try? Navya? Okay, fine. So those who did not write, I'm just
Ma'am.
going to... Yes?
మ్యామ్ మీరు రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఇది సిఅవుట్ రాస్తారు కదా మ్యామ్, ఇంత రాస్తే కూడా అంటే ఇది ఎట్లా రాస్తారు మ్యామ్?
ఇట్లా ఏది అర్థం కాలే.
సిఅవుట్ రాస్తారు కదా మ్యామ్, పబ్లిక్ డైరెక్ట్ సిఅవుట్ తీసుకోవచ్చా మ్యామ్?
డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, డిస్ప్లే ఫంక్షన్ కదా, డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, తప్పేం లేదు అందులో. నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం వేరియబుల్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు, నేను జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ నాకు చెప్తున్నాను కదా నా ఐడియా ఇంతవరకే వచ్చింది. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ written in this manner, but one of your friends have written like, you know, how many number of flowers, what is the color. Good initiation. నా మైండ్ కి ఇంతే ఆలోచన వచ్చింది నేహ. సో ఐ హావ్ రిటర్న్ లైక్ దిస్, నథింగ్ రాంగ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో ఇలా నేను రాసినప్పుడు ఇంకొకటి తీస్తున్నాను. అండ్ మై ప్రోగ్రామ్ యువర్ థింకింగ్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ దాన్ మై థింకింగ్స్, రైట్? మీరు ఇంకా హై లెవెల్ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, నాకు అంత ఆలోచన కూడా రాలేదు. వెరీ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ థింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను క్లాస్ ఫ్లవర్ యాజ్ అ బేస్, ఫ్లవర్ విల్ బి ద బేస్ క్లాస్, రైట్? సో నేను బేస్ క్లాస్ తీసుకొని హ్యావ్ టేకన్ పబ్లిక్ బికాస్ ఐ వాంట్ యాక్సెస్ ఇట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ద మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్. కాబట్టి నాకు ఈ పబ్లిక్ లో ఉండేది పబ్లిక్ లో ఇస్తేనే ఐ కుడ్ డిస్ప్లే ఇట్, రైట్? అదర్వైజ్ నా క్లాస్ లో అది యాక్సెస్ అవ్వదు మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ లో. సో హ్యావ్ డిక్లేర్డ్ దిస్, ఐ హ్యావ్ written this statement under public section. Now what I have to write? Now I am writing derived class. What is the syntax? I have to take a class, and I told you derived class name, I told you to take any flower. So I have taken flower name as rose and colon. And if I want to like, you know, I want to share this data to with everyone, means what I have to give here? Access specifier or visibility mode also I could call. What I have to give here? Public or private or protected? Public. Protect means only with the family, like, you know, ఏదైతే ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ తోటి అందరికి అంటే పబ్లిక్. నో ఓన్లీ టు ద క్లాస్, అంటే డిరైవ్ క్లాస్ కే ఇవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్. ఓకే, ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ ఫాలోడ్ బై విచ్ క్లాస్ నుంచి నేను ఈ ప్రాపర్టీని తీసుకున్నాను? ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫ్లవర్ యాజ్ ద బేస్ క్లాస్, రైట్? ఫ్లవర్ నుంచే కదా రోస్ అన్ని వస్తాయి. Do you understand now? Flower is the base class. Flower untene different types of flowers we get. That could be either rose or hibiscus or any marigold, whatever it is, marigold flower, different types of flowers. Okay, so here I am writing like this. Under public, again I am giving public colon. So what I have to give? Cout. So what could I write? Rose is a beautiful flower. I know నాకు ఇంతకే ఐడియా వస్తుంది, ఇంతకు మించి రావట్లేదు. సో యువర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ యంగ్ బ్రెయిన్స్ కదా, మేబీ మీకు ఎక్కువ థింకింగ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, రోజ్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్. ఇంకేం రాయొచ్చు మీ భాషలో? ఇంకా మీరు ఏం రాయవచ్చు దీన్ని?
Rose is red.
Rose is red. Okay, fine. Rose is a very good beautiful flower. I have written like this, semicolon. I have finished. Now I want to close this, right? I have to close this complete class after this finished. So now I have defined there is one base class and one derived class. What type of inheritance it is? It is single inheritance. Everyone understood this? How to write now? At least now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to go for writing main function రాయాలి. సో ఓన్ గా రాసేయచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ మై ఓన్. మీరు కూడా మీ ఓన్ ఐడియా. సో int main I am creating, and here I have to create an object for rose or for flower.
Flowers.
Question mark
Rose.
again. Very
Rose,
good.
ma'am.
I have
Rose.
to create an object for rose because rose is holding flower properties. At the same time, it is holding that's own properties. So I have to create rose R. Okay. So rose R. Now what I have to display? See out R dot what? R dot flower.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. That belongs to R dot flower. Semicolon. Same thing. Mali see out. We can give like this. Any doubts here? And return 0. So with this my program is finished. That's all. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Same program if I feel like writing multi hierarchical inheritance. ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని నేను hierarchical inheritance రాయాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Nothing more than that. ఇలానే సేమ్ ఒక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసామనుకో hierarchical inheritance means what? One base class multiple derived class. సేమ్ నాకు ఒక క్లాస్ రోజు తీసుకున్నాను, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో క్లాస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? క్లాస్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి?
Color, ma'am.
Sunflower.
Yes, is a
Color.
flower.
Color, ma'am.
Sunflower. Okay, fine. Sunflower. And here one, I'm giving you one question mark. Tomorrow you have to find out and tell the answer. Protected. I protected and I want to protected if I'm given protected. So flower. Next, what I have to give here? Same steps hai kada. Public. Public. Next, see out. What are its properties? Sunflower is a?
Yellow in color.
Yes, sunflower is yellow in color. Okay, fine. This yellow in color. Here one more, one important topic you people have to search and tell me tomorrow. So what is that means? Now totally how many derived class there in our program?
2.
2.
ma'am.
So here I have to create an object for rose or sunflower or flower. Please find and tell me tomorrow. Do you understand the question here? Earlier there was only one base class, one derived class means obviously I am going to create an object for derived class, but here 2 derived classes are there for which I have to create an object. Do you understand?
Both the classes.
No, only one object must be created. Elano, you have to think and tell me answer with explanation. Will you try that tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone should try, and moreover be interactive, girls. If you people are not communicating, I couldn't see your faces. Many of them people are turning on it and you are leaving and going somewhere. You'll be getting attendance, you'll be getting attendance anyhow. You'll be getting the certificate. The only thing, what is the main intention of joining in this coding means you have to learn something, right? For learning purpose only you join, not to waste your time, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so kabatti meeru interaction uste naku because I couldn't see your faces. I could see if I'm taking names, some are responding and others are not responding. Please from tomorrow only few days, hardly 6 to 7 days, 5-6 days untadi mana class. After that only assignments I'll be posting. So after that you'll be giving a certificate. Okay, certificate ne mind lo pettukokandi. We will give you the certificate, but the thing మీకు జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు ఒకసారి మీరు రెజ్యూమ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి అనుకోండి. యూ ఫీల్ లైక్ యూ వాంట్ టు యుల్ బి కీపింగ్ ఐ గాట్ దిస్ సర్టిఫికేట్. సో వాట్ డిడ్ యూ లర్న్ దేర్ మీన్స్ వాట్ యుల్ బి హోల్డ్ ద సర్టిఫికేట్ బట్ జీరో నాలెడ్జ్. ఇస్ దట్ విల్ బి a fruitful thing for you?
No, ma'am.
No na. So just think once. Okay, ఒకసారి జాయిన్ అయినామంటే you have to learn, that's all. Otherwise don't join. No compulsion, right? నేను ఎవరిని ఇక్కడ ఫోర్స్ పెట్టి జాయిన్ చేయలేదు. Did I do that? I just asked even my students second years, those who are willing, only those people join, otherwise don't not needed. Some are interested, they join and they are attending. The only thing, few are responding and few are not responding. Everyone should respond. Okay? Yes, any doubts for today's class? No.
No,
Very
ma'am.
good. Yes. Yes, someone called. No doubts?
నో మ్యామ్.
ఓకే ఫైన్. టుమారో నేను చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది కదా, అది మీరు చెప్పండి. దేనికి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, ఎందుకు? సో ప్లీజ్ వన్స్ యూ పీపుల్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, యూ విల్ బి నోయింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకేనా? మీకు మైండ్ కొంచెం అప్లై చేయండి. అదర్వైజ్ టుమారో ఐ విల్ ఓన్లీ టెల్ యూ, బట్ యూ పీపుల్ ట్రై టు గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్. Whoever give the answer, definitely I am going to give one dairy milk chocolate for pakka. You can ask second years, I have given them. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
we have to create object for sunflower, ma'am.
That is what, Navya. Tomorrow you have to find and tell me sunflower ka, rose ka, flower ka, enduku. Why we have to create for that? You have to come with an explanation tomorrow, Navya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes, any doubts here? No, na? If no doubts, you can leave the session, girls. Thank you, one and all. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.